Everybody, this is Hackett. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to enable SSH on a Cisco switch. This is going to be a pretty short and straightforward video. I'm just going to walk you guys through on how to set up SSH on your Cisco switch. So let's get started. Let's go all the way back. The first thing you're going to be doing is typing in enable to get into the enable prompt. And once you're in here, the second step will be to get into the configuration terminal. Configuration terminal is used to configure all sorts of stuff on the switch. You can just type in conft and take you to the configuration terminal. Once we're in here, we're gonna want to set up a host name for our switch. So I have already done that, but I'll do it again. Let's change it to switch 2. Then I want to do IP domain name. This could be whatever you want. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna go with switch.com. And then we want to generate a RSA key. To do that, we type in crypto key generate RSA. This will generate the key. I already had generated one, but it's asking me to replace it, and I'll just type in yes. And if you're going to be using Paramiko or anything of that sort, make sure you go with a 248-bit size, because it wouldn't work otherwise. Now that is done, you would want to enable IP SSH version 2. This will label SSH, and then the next step is going to be going into the line VTY 015, and then we want to change the transport input to SSH. Once that is done, we will also want to do login local, so we can use a local username and password to do that, to initiate the SSH session. Once we've done that, you would want to exit out of the line VTY 015 configuration, and then you want to set a username admin and then give it the privilege of 15, and secret is going to be the password you want, so I'm just going to go with the same username and password. Once that is done, I would also recommend that you set a password for the enable prompt. That would also be admin. And that's basically it. Everything is set up. SSH should be enabled now, and you should be able to connect to the Cisco switch through your SSH client. Depends on what you're using. I prefer using PuTTY because it's the most simple and easiest of setting up a connection to the SSH. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe.